Smash na naman.
Ba talaga mag-quarterback si Alalo?
Tingnan natin kung sa against Meralco sa next game kung maagang makakapagsimula. Eto si Gio.
Mabuti lang mo siya nagpapalis ulit. Katulad ni Kwekate, he has a 3-point shot and he's a good 3-point shooter. Once he gets started, medyo mahirap pinituin yan. They're hoping that he can, blend with their team. Oh! Nobody can stop him.
He's playing out of his mind right now.
Must be his birthday.
The game of his life for that young man, Jason David. Oh, what a nifty move dito kay Flores. I didn't know a guy that size can shift that quick.
Like I said, I watched this guy the last conference. I see a lot of future in him. They have to give him the playing time. I don't know about his, that attitude. Look at that!
Bibit-bitan pa niya. Si Bindo. Si David is 1 rebound away from a double-double, Doc. Somebody miss. Kailangan may mag-wintis para makarebound.
Baka siya mag-wintis sa sarili niya. Mariano.
I want 6'4", 6'8". Huwag dapat mag-wintis, David.